Oh, hi guys. Welcome. Hi guys, welcome to the farm. Today I'm going to show you how to have an animal, how to grow animals on the farm. So this is how you grow frogs. And yeah, that's how you grow frogs on the farm. Yeah. And if you want, you can also grow snakes. But snakes are, they're snakes. So you gotta, with the farm. Because if you don't do it right, they won't grow any snakes like that. But yeah, I think the snakes like basil and silver beet, because that's how I grow snakes, like this one. So if you follow these simple instructions, you too can have the snakes you can have the animals on your farm, just like me. So thank you for the video. See you next time when we find out what's wrong with the water. Why is it green?